Okay, welcome. How to create FAQ page in WordPress, right? Using a plugin. So let's go to plugins. Click add new plugin. Search FAQ here, right? And you'll get bunch of plugins available here, right? But in this video, I'm going to show you this one. Easy accordion, responsive accordion, FAQ builder, and product FAQ, right? More details. I think there is screenshot here. Now go to screenshots and let's see. And this is the way, right? We get our result. Let's close this one and click install now. Then click activate. Now you get this page, right? Get started, and in left side right here, easy accordion, you can see settings, tools, recommended, right? At first, let's go to add new, right? Go to add new and just give a title, FAQ page, right? And accordion type content, right? This post is pro version, just choose content. And you can change the theme also from here, right? Default theme, theme 2, right? And let's go here, click add new item, right? Title FAQ1, why this site, or how to register in this site, for example, right? First question, and just write the answer, solution to it. Direct register is disabled. Send mail to email available in about us section, right? Write anything here and go down. Also add new item again, right? And next one is for example, how can we, okay, what is FAQ2, what is payment threshold, right? As soon as you reach $5, you can ask for payment, right? And again, let's add next one, FAQ3. What is payment method? For now, direct bank deposit, right? Okay, so this is it, and you can make it bold, italic, right? You can design it any way you like. If you want to add the media, you can add media from here, anything you like, right? And go to, now let's publish it, right? Just publish it, and it is published. Now go a little bit down And you can see here how to use to display the accordion FAQs group. Copy and paste this shortcode into your post page or custom post, block editor or page builder, right? So this one is the shortcode. Just click it and copy it, right? Now let's go and create a page, pages, and new pages, title FAQ, and just paste the shortcode here, right? And publish the page. Just click publish, right? Now you can see the page. Just right, I'm right clicking this, open link in new tab, and you can see here FAQ page, right? FAQ, how to register in this site. This is expanded right now, right? And these two are in collapsed mode, right? Direct register disable, and this one now FAQ 2. What is payment threshold, right? Just click it. You will see this way your FAQ works, right? So this was it, just a basic, right? In any confusion, let me know in the comment. I'll try to reply. Thank you very much for watching.